So how many carrots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Okay. Yes. Can you see? Why is reading important? Yes, it expands our vocabulary. It improves our grammar. It improves our writing skills. Yes, for better concentration. And of course, it improves our social skills. Okay?
Okay. What is that?
Yes. Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome back to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. Yes, today I am going to talk about how to teach a child to read. So most of the parents, they ask how to improve a child's reading skills and how to help a child who is struggling with reading. So today I am going to make this video very simple and yes, step by step, so that it will help you to understand. And I hope you will enjoy today's video. If you do not forget to like and share with your friends and family. So now let's get started. Number 1, focus on letter sounds over letter names. Like say A. A sounds A. B sounds B. C sounds K. So instead of focusing on letter names, start teaching them letter sounds first. Number 2, blending, which is very important. So most of you don't know what is blending. So let me help you. So blending is combining of broken up sounds to make a word. For example, A sounds A. T sounds T. So if you combine them, A, T, it will be at. Okay? Again, A sounds A. P sounds P. If you combine them, it will become app. So we say this blending. Okay? It can be 2-letter words. It can be 3-letter words. It depends. So start teaching them blending. Number 3, sight words, which is also very important. So sight words are the common words like say I, am, am, you, he, she. Yes, so kids can recognize instantly without sounding them out. So I have all the links, sight words, letter sounds, phonics. So please do check in my description box. I have given all the links that will really help you. So after all of that, you can start introducing them short phonics stories to your kids. So let me show you. My pet, E.T. at word family. Okay, so now let's focus on E.T. word family. And it's a very short and simple story for your kids. So you can see here, my pet. So we all know pet is a domestic animal, is at the vet. Okay, my pet is at the vet. So pet, p-at, pet. Okay, is at the vet. V-E-T, v-at, vet. You can see here, can the vet help my pet? So here again, can the vet help my pet? It's a very easy and simple lines. Get, G-E-T, get the pet, P-E-T, pet. Vet, W-E-T, vet. Say the vet. Okay, you can see here they're using get, G-E-T, at, at, get the pet. Vet, so we all know vet means covered with water. Say the vet. Okay, all set to help my pet. All set, S-E-T, at, set, to help my pet, at, pet. Okay, now let's turn the page. Yes, go get the jet. So they are talking about the toy aircraft. Okay, go get the jet, J-E-T, at, jet. Here you can see, do we like the vet? Do we like the vet? You bet. Okay, so you can see it's a very simple and short story. So after that, they can do the activity, say the words, then trace the words. Ask them first to say the words like at, pet. Okay, then ask them to trace it. Okay, so here you can see pet, vet, get, vet, set, and jet. Okay, now you can see here the big pig. Okay, so they're using ig word family. So you can see here again, look at the pig. So this is a pig. Look at the pig. They're using ig, pig. Okay, the next one you can see, the pig has a wig. The pig has a wig. Okay, W-I-G, wig. So wig means they're talking about now the natural, or you can say synthetic hair for the head. Okay, so wig. The pig has a wig. The next one, the pig can do a jig. The pig can do a jig. So this is a new word, J-I-G, jig. So you can see here it's a lively dance. Okay, the pig can do a jig. Okay, the pig can do a jig. Jig means to dance. Okay, the next you can see, the pig likes to dig. The pig likes to dig. The ig. Okay, they are using the word dig here. So dig we all know. So remove earth by digging. Okay. The pig eats figs. Okay, the pig eats what? Figs. F-I-G-S. Figs. So figs means it's a pear-shaped fruit. You can see here, the pig eats figs. Then, now the pig is big. The pig is big. B-I-G. Big. Big. Okay? So they are using very simple words. So yes, if you can follow these steps, that will really help your child to improve their reading skills. And at the same time, go with a simple short sentences like I have said you. short phonics stories. Don't go with a complex one. Your kids will get confused very soon. And last but not the least, practice makes perfect. You need to practice more and more. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है then please do hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for your upcoming videos. So तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video. Bye bye.